I want to speak now on the power of putting your mind on a particular thing, focusing on something. Now, we have the power to attract everything we focus on. We are attracting. Whatever is happening to you is what you are focused on, consciously or unconsciously. What you pay attention to yields the outcomes you experience. So you are creating your world. What do you focus on? What kind of films do you watch? What kind of films do your children watch? What books do you read? What fantasies do you imagine? What dreams do you have? Who do you move with? Where do you live? All those things determine your focus, consciously or unconsciously. To this moment, sit back. Do what I call introspection. Do self-questioning. Ask yourself, what am I focusing on? And connect what you're focusing on to what you're experiencing. And you will see the answers to the questions that you've been asking. Why is this happening to me? Why is that happening to me? You have created your situation. You create your circumstance. The gates are inside of you. The gates of hell and the gates of heaven, they're all inside of you. Like I said, heaven and hell are destinations, but we live in the process. So you may be journeying to hell. You'll be experiencing the hell right here. Because it is a process. The life is a process. Living is a process. The day-to-day experiences on your road to hell. Your day-to-day experiences on your road to heaven. The challenge of humanity, the problem that what religion has pushed us into is to make us look at the destination and not the process. So you just imagine that you could just do anything you like and one day the trumpet sounds and off you jump, flying to heaven. Or you stop doing this, so you end up. So you wait until you're about to die before you repent. No. You have lived in the hell while living. You can also live in the heaven while living. Depending on what you focus your mind on. Anything you put your mind on consciously, seeking to achieve, will come to pass. But you can do so consciously. You can also do so unconsciously. The outcomes will always come to pass. And when it happens, we say, oh, God has blessed me. Yes, God has blessed you because you focus rightly. Maybe God helps you to focus rightly. Or Satan is against me. Maybe Satan made you to focus wrongly. But you can deliberately determine what to focus on. And this morning, this afternoon, this evening, begin to look back into yourself mindfully and ask yourself, what have I been focusing on? And then that way you can change the outcomes you experience. Thank you very much.